For those that have seen my previous short video, this one is how to fix a beer bottle opener. We love our beer, and there it is there. So why did it just ping off as soon as I put the bottle cap in there? Well, the screws. If you imagine, they don't even come through the back of this board, so therefore the screws are of a tiny size, of which I'll remove and show you. Yeah, a little bit small, aren't they? They're not going to hold much, are they? I'm going to use these longer bolts with washers either side, bolted right through. For the first thing I'm going to do is drill those holes there, that one and that one, right the way through the actual bit of wood. Holes drilled right through. Now I'm going to put a bolt through the top and bottom through our opener and bolt it up with washers like this on it there, either side. So let's have a look at it now. We've got decent bolts with washers, top and bottom, drilled right through like so. Now obviously these bolts are too long. I've now got to cut them down with a junior hacksaw through there so it will sit as tight back to wall as we can. We'll still have this making it a little bit wobbly at the back when it's screwed up, because it will obviously try to do this. So I'm going to get some black tap washers, stick one this side, one that side, to keep the spacing even off the wall, and see how we get on then. There we are, bolts in place and cut off at the back, two spacing washers, which should be good to fit it back to wall. But just before I got to fit it back to wall, and I noticed in a nice bit of daylight like now, there is a hairline crack across the screw there. Can you see that? So I don't think it's going to last more than a couple of pulls. It looks like it's going to break away at any time, and when I probably looked at the metal, it's a cheap alloy, not a proper brass or well-made iron piece of metal, but a cheap piece of alloy. So I don't expect it to last too long, but I'll keep you updated. Put it back in the wall anyway now. I've done all the work for nothing, I think.